Hey, it's Leanne and Jeff, Realty One Group, here to show you another gorgeous house on Inspirada TV.
We are at 2852 Frabiele. We're unsure. We did have someone correct us. But the cool thing about this street is that's Democracy. That's Sloan Canyon back there. So you have the park back there. It's about a 1.5 mile hike to the petroglyphs and that 9 yards. All protected land back there. So really cool lot. We just met the neighbor next door. He's been there since they built it.
Yeah.
And he says he loves it.
Yeah. Who wouldn't?
And I don't think he had a reason to lie to us.
Super nice guy, so if you want nice neighbors.
Yeah, that's what he was hoping for, is nice neighbors. So if you're not nice, go ahead and skip to the next video. So the cool thing, this floor plan has a bedroom and a 3/4 bath down. Great if you've got someone who can't do stairs. Also, as Leanne will tell you, it's a great guest room for people.
Yeah.
Keep them the hell away from you. All right.
Why do you do that?
Well, come on, we got to entertain ourselves. We're not sure how many people are going to watch these.
So the garage isn't painted, but it's ready for paint.
Yep. So water filtration, tankless water, heater, 2-car, of course. I wonder what that QR code goes to.
Probably the garage door
Put
company.
it in the comments.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. You know, I showed another one of these listings, this floor plan, a couple weeks ago on Gallerate. It was super, super nice. A little more expensive than this. Wow, look at the mountain views out this window.
Wow, that's beautiful. We love our mountains out here in Vegas, don't we?
Covered patio.
Yeah.
So you kind of got this pie-shaped lot, which
is amazing.
Really nice.
It's much bigger than what you think it's
I
gonna
was expecting it to be tight, but this is really cool.
This is huge.
A little pad there if you want to put a little she shed. So kids.
Those are your nice
You know, when
neighbors.
you're a kid and you go, oh, we're going to move to a new house, you always think, I sure hope there are kids. And that really is such the amazing part of Inspirada is there are a lot of families.
Yeah. There's families. It's so diverse. I mean, there's family, there's elderly, there's everything. Lots of puppies.
Old farts like me and Leanne.
Speak for yourself.
I like this. I really like this dark quartz countertop.
Yeah.
It pops with the white cabinets.
Yeah.
What year was this?
2021. And it is 2114 square foot, and it's listed at $560,000.
So this might be a kind of a nice price point if you are a first-time home buyer,
sure.
Which is the segue to tell you that Leanne and I wrote a book called Roadmap to Your First Home, and we would be happy to send it to you for free. There'll be a link on screen for you. I really like this backsplash.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Oops. Uh-oh. Technical difficulties. We've all been there. Okay. We are back.
It happens. It happens. Even to the best.
So, yeah, more storage under, goes well under the stairs. So, like that.
If your husband misbehaves, you could put him in. Or if you want to keep the house clean.
All right, as always, please like and subscribe to our channel. Leanne and I are out here every week filming content for Inspirada, and we've got more than 500 videos up, all focused around Inspirada. So I like this because it's still 4 bedrooms plus this loft, and you get a bedroom down, you got the loft up here, and I would imagine KB could have had this as a 5th bedroom. All right, so laundry, washer and dryer stay?
They do.
And the refrigerator?
Yes, as well.
As well.
Bedroom.
Yeah, these are good size.
The closet, yeah, they are good sized bedrooms, actually.
I do like that little bench seat in the window.
Yeah, that's always so
touch.
cute. You can do some really cute stuff.
And you are right on a cul-de-sac, which is cool. And then you have got another, is your full bath, double sinks, dual sinks. Dual.
Duelers.
So I once had a posting and I misspelled duel as in they were dueling instead of 2 of them. So somebody called me out on it.
Spelling's hard.
It is hard, especially with my ADHD mind.
Yes, that would do it.
Okay. So storage. All right, this is the primary.
All right. It's spacious. Closet.
Walk-in closet here. And kind of be able to give you a good view of what is behind, because that land was kind of a berm up to the back here, but you can see there's nothing but green space here. Well, technically it's not green.
Yeah.
But you know what I mean.
It's brown space.
All right. The nice thing is you do have the water closet with its own door.
And storage.
Tub and shower combo. Dual sinks. Really pretty frame around that mirror.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's so blends
I wonder,
so well.
is this
with
a
all
medicine
this.
cabinet?
Oh my Lord.
I'm so glad you do. As always, Jeb and Leanne Mix, Realty One Group, owns and Inspirada.com. Our website has every listing from every brokerage. No need to search multiple sites. If you want to see this home or any other, please reach out to us. We are always available. We live out here. We love it out here, and we hope that you would too. All right.